Epsagon offers an extensive monitoring and troubleshooting solution. Integrating your AWS account will allow you to monitor AWS resources such as Lambdas, ECS, and more. And in just a few short moments, I'll show you just how simple it is. It only requires the deployment of a predefined CloudFormation stack utilizing the built-in AWS wizard. After signing up and completing the basic questions about your Epsagon account, choose the AWS integration from the multiple cloud provider options and click Integrate AWS, which will then lead you to the CloudFormation stack installation page. Next, on the installation wizard, all I need to do is tick the checkbox that allows Epsagon to create IAM resources during the installation process and hit Create Stack. In less than a minute, the Epsagon stack will finish installing on your AWS account, and you can then return to Epsagon's onboarding wizard and see the automated message for the successful integration. Now go ahead and integrate your AWS account to get full application observability.